This process allows us to transfer the circuit design from the customer-supplied Gerber data to the copper layers of an inner layer core. The challenge here is to ensure an exact representation of the circuitry, so the copper design on the cores matches the Gerber data precisely. After receiving the correctly sized cores, we add a laser-engraved data matrix code for identification during production. Then we chemically clean and slightly roughen both sides of the copper surface to ensure good adhesion of the film. The photosensitive film is then applied to the panel. This process occurs in controlled clean rooms with fewer than 1,000 particles per cubic foot. However, less than 10,000 particles per cubic foot is also perfectly adequate. The clean rooms are protected from UV light, so all windows and lights are covered with a yellow UV blocking film. There are two common methods for applying the circuitry pattern to the film. The first uses artworks which are placed on top of the film. Then the panel is exposed to UV light. Where there are clear areas, the UV light is allowed to penetrate through the artwork, defining the circuitry pattern. The second method is laser direct imaging, which is increasingly popular. It offers improved registration of the pattern and better definition of the smaller features, especially useful for the more complex designs. This principle is somewhat similar to the previous method, where the laser contacts the film, it polymerizes the film, creating a pattern that matches the desired circuitry. In both methods, the polymerized film stays on the panel for the next process.